Hello and welcome to another episode of E-chan and Moka-chan review. Today we have more protein bars. We have 3 flavors. So let's get the boxes. So first up we have from Alani NU. Oh my god, you can't see that on the camera. Alani NU is the brand. They have fit snacks. This first one is peanut butter crisp. You want to go with the peanut butter crisp first? We'll explain them as we go. You can open. You can do the ones. This one. Oishii so. Looks delicious. Each bar is 180 calories, 4 grams of sugar, 16 grams of protein, which is pretty good for a protein bar. They do look pretty special too. Gluten free for all you fellas avoiding gluten. Me first. It's really good.
Yeah.
Very chewy. It's stuck together really well. It's like it's got caramel in it. And it hasn't, I don't think. Yeah, I could eat that all day. It's really good. Tastes like peanut butter too. With another flavor that's peanut butter as well, and I want to try and see the difference. It is crispy. Very good. You want to see the inside? Yeah, feast your eyes. Nom nom nom. I don't know much about Alani NU. What they're about? Where are they from? You know, America.
It's an American company.
Last time we did a British one, so, it was good, but
They have more flavors, but because of the Black Friday sale, these are the flavors on the left online. I could get a hold of.
yeah, there's so many flavors.
We had munchies before. Was very good.
They got tons. Okay, the next one. This flavor, yes, so let's do the other peanut butter one afterwards. This is chocolate cake. Oh damn! This is less calories. Yeah, 170 calories, 5 grams of sugar, so a little bit more sugar. Gluten free and still 16 grams of protein. Beautiful purple packaging. Ooh, I can taste it already. That last one was really good. As far as protein bars go, it's so delicious. They are deceivingly short. So let's take it out of the packaging.
No, they're the same.
Look at that.
No, they're the same.
About a centimetre missing. And if
No.
I'm allowing it, like value for money. Okay.
It's good.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's so chocolatey. Damn. It actually tastes like a chocolate cake. It tastes like you're eating a chocolate cake.
The chocolate is actually quite rich and dark.
Oh.
I really like.
That's really tasty.
Yeah.
I think this is gonna be our favorite one. Damn, that's good. Yeah. Okay. 2 down. I'll eat them later.
That's 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. What was it? What would you rate the peanut butter crisp? 7.
Yeah, 7. Solid 7.
Solid 7. Last one is this is a collaboration. So the other ones were independent Alani NU, and this one is a collaboration between Felicia Keithley and Alani. I have no idea who she is. I'm sure she has something to do with peanut butter cups. Maybe
Probably
she's
fitness girl.
Or
That's her favorite
fitness girl or a chef.
flavor.
Either one.
I think it's
Fitness girl.
Influencer.
Oh, it's an influencer. Okay.
I think so. I'm not sure.
So this flavor is peanut butter cup. It's 190 calories. So
Very
you really...
American, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Like Reese's Pieces. That's what I'm
Yeah.
expecting. Alright, let's go.
Packaging like this.
190 calories, 5 grams of sugar, 16 grams of protein still. Right. Let's just see this for a second. Look, this is the bar, the total bar. Oh, it's just there. It's just there. Oh, that's the total bar. So a little bit deceitful, but we'll let them off for their delicious
Okay, that's
snacks
a bit
so far.
silly now.
Bit silly. Okay, so this is like the opposite of the other one. So the peanut butter crisp has like golden with chocolate stripes, sprinkles, lines over the top. Oh god. Whereas this one is like chocolate with maybe look peanut butter. You got peanut butter on my chocolate. Yeah, it's drizzle. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. My first language, her second. Okay.
Peanut butter cup. Yeah?
Good. It's almost exactly the same as the other one. It is slightly less crispy, to be fair. Not quite as much of a mouthful, but delicious. Absolutely delicious.
I really like this. Really nice. It's just like Snickers.
I could eat all 3 of those. Like, I don't even, no training, just eat all 3.
I think by far, this is the best.
They're the best
Protein
tasting
bar.
proteins I've ever had. For sure. Realistically, they're not that bad for you. Yeah, so they're manufactured by Alani Nutrition, Alani NU, from Louisville, Kentucky. Same place as Kentucky Fried Chicken. I don't know. Yeah, they're pretty good. I'm now gonna eat all 3 of those that we've tried. Alright. Tune in next time for the exclusive scoop on protein bars everywhere. Maybe we'll try a Japanese version.
Yeah, we should do that.
We've done British, now we've done American.
Oh, the Japanese ones.
Japanese ones are pretty good. Yeah, let's do the 20 gram. Anyway, okay. Peace out. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.